Hello everyone, my name is Lashawn Allen and this is my presentation on Windows 10. So a little introduction about Windows 10. Windows 10 was the latest operating system released by Microsoft on July 29, 2015. It is the successor to Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, which you can actually see similarities between Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 built into Windows 10, with them bringing back the start button from Windows 7 and keeping the tablet app features from Windows 8.1. Windows 10 was also released with two different versions. You have the standard, which is the Windows 10 Home Edition, and you also have the Windows 10 Pro Edition, which is more of your business or professional grade software. So a little fun fact about Windows 10: it actually was released with the NT kernel, which has been in production since Windows 2000. So this is why you'll see similarities between Windows 2000 XP, Vista 7, and Windows 10 because it uses the same base for the coding. Now you may ask yourself, Windows 10? So what's new with Windows 10? Why should I upgrade to it? Well, I found a couple good additions to Windows 10 to make the upgrade worthwhile. The first one is Cortana, which is a voice command system built into Windows 10. So you simply ask Cortana a question, and Cortana will actually do a web search for you to bring up the topic. So just kind of using the project as an example, if I wanted to search something about Windows 10, I just say, "Hey, Cortana, Windows 10." It'll actually pop up information about Windows 10 just from your voice command. And it's not limited to just internet-based searches. You can actually pull up information on your computer, like documents, pictures, music, anything like that on your actual hard drive. So it actually allows you to do that also. So the next thing is the universal app feature. This feature allows you to pretty much make Windows one universal operating system, so you can actually pull the same information from your tablet to your desktop to your laptop, and you can pull that into one streamlined package. So this is kind of what one of the big features that Windows 10 pretty much offers this go around is universally being able to pull all your apps together. So pretty much being able to link one account. The next benefit is kind of a benefit to the casual or the gamer crowd. So Windows 10 adds DirectX 12, which actually adds a 20% boost as far as gaming performance. Which if you running any games with that takes a lot of memory and a lot of graphics to run, then you will need DirectX, which you can't actually get on Windows 8 or Windows 7. So this is a big deal, especially for the gamer crowd. And one more thing about the gaming aspect: you can actually stream Xbox One games directly to your PC. So you can literally play your game at home, shut it down, stream it directly to your to your laptop, and you can actually continue your gaming on the road or out and about. So that's one benefit that happens with Windows 10. Next is probably the most controversial feature or change to Windows 10 is the exit of Internet Explorer, which probably I would say nobody uses, to be honest with you. So including myself, which now they introduced what they call the Edge browser, which is a streamlined, faster, more compatible browser pretty much to compete with Google Chrome and Firefox, which I think is probably the most underrated but probably the best feature about Windows 10. All right, so the final feature that I saw added with Windows 10 was the security, which is pretty big thing, especially with in the digital age we live in, with all the identity thieves and everything like that. So I found two new good features that they added. The first one was Device Guard. So what Device Guard does, it actually vets all unassigned programs. So if Microsoft is not pretty much not a Microsoft approved program, then the Windows 10 would actually block that program from actually installing on your PC, which can lead to viruses and pretty much identity theft. So that's a really good feature. One more thing that was added with security features was the was Hello Windows, which is biometric support. So fingerprint reader, face detection, so you can log onto your PC. So for much features like that, those are what were added to Windows 10 to bolster security. So now, how do those features affect me, you, and everybody who's going to use Windows 10? So with Cortana, the feature, so it makes finding and searching for items a lot easier versus the old-fashioned way, in which you have to either type or actually physically look for the document or thing or web page that you were looking for, instead of just actually speaking and allowing that to pull it up for you. So yeah, this feature allows for more ease of use for you right there. Next is the universal app feature. So this feature allows you to pretty much take your device anywhere you want to go. So just say I'm a business person and I want to pull up my documents that I left at my home PC. So instead of going all the way back home or having somebody email me that, I can actually pull that feature up on my phone or my tablet and say, hey, okay, I have this business proposal for you, which can save a lot of time and a lot of effort, and which could definitely help you out in the in that realm right there. So the next feature, of course, is the benefit to the gaming feature. So of course the benefit, I already kind of went over with the benefit with DirectX, which gives you that boost in performance, but the Xbox streaming, which like I said, you can pretty much use that, pretty much take your, you can pretty much share your gaming experience via your desktop, so you won't have to be stuck tied to your Xbox. You can take it with you into another room. Can be very useful if you're younger and your parents tell you, hey, I want to watch TV, and you're playing Xbox, so you can just take that and then move it to your room where your computer is and stream your Xbox game live on your TV. So and then the Edge browser. So yeah, we all know the troubled past of Internet Explorer. So the Edge browser adds pretty much hopefully a great web browser, so we can actually be more compatible with all the stuff that we need to go to, like Google Chrome and Firefox, because even like I said, even the Durham Tech website, we actually can't access some stuff from Internet Explorer. We have to use Google Chrome and Firefox to access stuff. So that'll be beneficial to have a compatible web browser. Next up is the security. So just say your computer gets stolen from you. That adding that fingerprint reader and that face detection will protect people from actually from getting to your personal files, looking at your information. So this pretty much locks your computer down, so nobody can use it but you, which is, like I said, definitely a good thing and good thing these days and times, because of the security risk that we incur on an everyday basis. So definitely think that's a benefit to all the users. So next, I just kind of went through and just kind of saw some apps that I think most people should use. I picked one from the kind of the entertainment base, and then I picked one as far as the productivity base. So Netflix, I'm pretty sure everybody has Netflix, which is your streaming movie app, so you can stream movies, TV shows, and pretty much all that type of stuff on Netflix, which is pretty much what most people do nowadays. So this is a very important app. The next one would for productivity would be the Dropbox app, which is a cloud-based storage app that you can store all your documents and music and photos onto. Instead of saving it to your hard drive and taking up that precious hard drive space, you can actually install it via online, and you can actually take that with you anywhere you want to go. So those two for me are probably the top two as far as productivity and entertainment as far as apps go. So for me, in conclusion, I would say Windows 10 is definitely worth the upgrade. A lot of good features that were taken out for Windows 8 and put back in for Windows 7. Of course, you're still going to have your stability issues since it is a new operating system, but all in all, I definitely think Windows 10 is worth the upgrade, especially with stuff like Cortana, which makes searching for things a lot easier. All right. Thank you for listening.